In this video, we will create 5 paint brushes that you can use to vertex paint your characters and models. I frequently use them in my projects. For example, I used these brushes to paint this character in the previous video. So let's start with the line brush. Select the paintbrush, tap on it and clone it. I'm gonna name it line. Then go to stroke and set the lazy rope stabilizer value to 30. Change the alpha to none and fall off preset to 1. For this brush, I will keep the default paint pressure. Let's test it out. Looks good. So I'm gonna save it. This is our default brush. And this is our line brush we created from it. It's great for painting this type of design on your character. All these designs on the apron, cup and hairband was painted using this brush. You can also draw eyebrows and many other things with this. Next brush is the hard round brush. To create it, again we are gonna clone the paintbrush and name it hard round. For this, keep the stroke settings default but change the alpha to none and fall off to 1. Then go to pressure and first uncheck the use global settings. This is super important. Then adjust the pressure radius and pressure intensity like this. Test it out. This brush is great for filling up large areas with flat and opaque color. This is the default and this is our hard round brush. And then finally save. This soft round brush is probably the best of the lot. It's super useful. This time clone the hard round brush we just made and name it soft round. Then reset the fall off to default. And change the pressure intensity preset to in-out circle. Let's paint to check if it works. Looks good. When I use this brush, I keep the brush intensity pretty low. Don't forget to save the brush. I use this soft round brush to paint all the main color zones of the face. And use it to blend the colors with the skin base color. I also added the gradient of the hair using this brush. Next, we're gonna create this Freckles brush. Clone the paintbrush, name it Freckles. Set the stroke type to roll and enable randomize. Set the intensity to 45 degree. Then go to alpha and choose either pattern 55 or pattern 82. The fall off and pressure are set to default. Paint to check if it looks okay. I use this brush with low intensity. And also change the hue to make it look natural. You can use this brush as noise brush as well. It's not just for freckles. Okay, before we move on to create the next brush of the set, I wanted to briefly talk about how to create these icons for your brush. Simply create a black square canvas in your preferred digital painting program, and on a separate layer paint the icon with white color and then disable the black background, and then simply save it as PNG. Then in Nomad, tap on the brush, then icon, and import that PNG. The next brush of this pack is the circle brush. Clone the paint brush and name it circle. Go to settings and change the stroke to lock radius. Then go to alpha and set the scaling to 2. Now, the fall off, I'm going to set it to this one because I want the edge to be soft. As you can see, the edge of the circle is soft. But if you want sharp edges, you can just switch to this one. I'm going to select the soft one and then save. So using this brush, you can paint eyeball pretty quickly. Then pick a lighter color and draw like this. Then add the black pupil. With the soft round brush, make this area lighter and then add a specular highlight with the hard round brush. So like and subscribe if you found it useful, and check out this video to see how I use these brushes to paint an entire character. I will see you in the next video.